Good morning, everyone. It's my second video of uploading whatever I do in a day, just to continue my YouTube algorithm. And today I am trying to speak in English in whole video. I'm making hot lemon with honey, hot water lemon with honey, hot water honey with lemon, something like that. And let's go make. I'll show you the recipe. Maybe I don't know how to make, but I'll do it however I do every day. For that we must need hot water. We have already boiled it. Our hot water is ready, and lemon, if we say lemon, then we need to have a lemon. And let's take a knife. I'll cut it. How do I cut it now? Oh my god, I hold and cut it. I think I should just, I don't know. Oh my god. It's so hard to become YouTuber alone. I think I'll just keep it here. Sorry if I blocked the view. Oh my god, it's not even. हजुर हजुर हुन्छ अहिले टाइम भइसक्यो त स्कुटर बाहिर राखे पनि झाडमलाई सोचेको थिएँ Just hold on for a second, guys. तो स्कुटर बाहिर राखे भने झाडमलाई सोचेको थिएँ ये स्कुटर त मथरा यो त दिनभरि गर्छ Oh my god, today it's my turn to clean, as we live here in rent, and the house owner already came to remind me. Now let it be. Let's just put lemon. No, first of all I think we have to put honey. Let me bring honey. We have kept it in here. Here's our pure honey. It's sent by our Binazu. He produces his own honey, I think. And I need a spoon to take out the honey. Now making it open is also a hard thing. I'll just open it with both of my hands. I hope my sound is coming nicely. Oh, it's just 3 minutes. 1 spoon of honey. Oh my god, maybe it's not. Two days ago I tried drinking hot water with honey, and it was really nice. So I have continued it for like 2 to 3 days. I don't know if it's good or not. If anyone knows any bad side effects about this, then please tell me. Now this lemon goes in here. Why does it look black? I think this much lemon would be enough. We have this big enough knife. My brother bought it because it will have to cut chicken and others. Also, let's close this Duncan cap. It's broken. When you use the utensils and other things, you just have to put them backwards to their own places. I just hate it when people keep the things wherever they are used and let them be there. I just hate that. Let's put it here. Maybe we will eat it with what do we say, lunch. Honey inside. Now let's drink hot lemon with honey. I think I'll just keep my phone in front camera and